Hello, y'all. I found a really interesting book. Forget the Alamo. It's really interesting. I think it's sacrilegious. It says how Santa Anna freed the slaves and how the Alamo was just a really big myth. You know what? I have a great idea for that. In fact, it's so good, it's gonna be fire.
All right, so we're shooting this Tannerite, about 2 pounds of it, in a bucket of concrete full of cremora. Cremora is pretty flammable, so it should create a bit of a fireball. Shooting this with a 350 Legend bolt action, and we have a slow-mo camera behind the barrier with a mirror, so it can take a video without getting hit.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was awesome! All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, guys, this is the aftermath. Bucket is no more. Cracked the concrete. Whoa! I'm getting focused there. Cracked the concrete. Strewn bits of the bad book everywhere. This book is no more.